Everyone buys this box, golden curry. It is good, but good is not enough for this house.
Most people just boil it. Amateurs. First, we suffer. Caramelize the onions until they are sweet like candy.
Add the meat cubes and broth. Let it boil. The onions and meat release all their sweetness into the broth. Now the curry blocks go in. Stir until they melt completely. This is what everyone does.
Now, the magic. But here is the secret. Grated apple and 1 square of chocolate.
Watch the color change. It goes from cafeteria yellow to deep anime brown.
Thick. Glossy. Shiny.
Do not look at me like that, Mochi. Chocolate is poison for cats. You get the kibble. My. Delicious. Never eat plain box curry again.